In this presentation, we're going to look first of all at the instructions and pictures suggested by rootsimple.com. The link to this website can be found in the description area of this video. So this particular rocket stove is made from a 5-gallon pail, like a paint can. And these are the suggestion of how to do it with the view of the finished product. You will notice it's got a 5-gallon can. You can see the handle on the side. It's got a stovepipe coming in from the side and going up out the top. And then they have a grill on top of that. So here we go. First thing you're going to do is drill some holes so you can get your saber saw, your jigsaw in, and you're going to cut the circle that will match the stovepipe through the lid of the bucket can. Then you're going to do the same with the side of the bucket so that it's the same diameter as the stovepipe. So in our particular case, we modified the instructions that I just was showing you in that they used an elbow stovepipe. We chose to use a T stovepipe, and the reason being is that the T not only gives some support, but it also gives a place for the ashes to go down below instead of running the risk of the fire ashes plugging up the pipe. So again, our modification was to use a T rather than an elbow. So here we're looking down their finished product, and you can see it's an elbow going in there, and then they packed it around with sandy gravel to insulate and also stabilize the pipe in the middle. We will now show you briefly some video of the stove that we made in using our modified version of this bucket rocket stove. First of all, you'll notice that in the background you can see the T stovepipe and the raw bucket with our finished product with that in it. And obviously this works really well because not only did it make a hot fire, but we had a large pot with some a liquid in there, and it didn't take long at all for it to boil. So you can see that a rocket stove made from a 5-gallon bucket is a really neat way to go from free materials.